Hey everybody, it's Miss Eddie. I'm doing a quick tutorial mainly for 8th period for those students who may have to leave 8th period early because of the pep rally, or maybe you'll just be absent on Friday. So this is the BLAST lab, and this is how you're going to get to it. You're going to go to a search engine and type in BLAST, all caps, homepage. And that will take you to the BLAST official site. Alright. You will go to Saved Strategies. Remember, this is the website that has that really powerful software to search Dave's genes. Remember, Dave has 4 genes. We're going to try to find out who Dave is most closely related to. So again, go to Save Strategies. As I mentioned, the 4 gene sequences are in Edmodo. You need to save them somewhere, like Dropbox or a flash drive, so that now you can upload them. So you'll browse, and I'm going to go to my BLAST gene sequences, right? And they're already here. I'm going to click on gene 1. Alright, so it's in there. And I'm going to click view. And what you're actually seeing right here is Dave's gene sequence. Look at that. AT, GGA, etc. Okay, so what next? You're going to make sure that you don't change anything. It should say that you're going to compare Dave to other organisms. That's the default. Okay. And you're again going to just leave everything as the default. Okay. And you're going to go to the bottom and you're going to click BLAST. And remember, this software is searching every known DNA sequence in their database, and it's trying to find the closest matches to Dave. Sometimes it takes a while, sometimes it takes not that long. So here are the results, and I'm going to kind of do it quickly so that you can do it on your own too. But we're going to go down, and here you see excuse me, the matches for Dave, and what you want to pay attention to are the max score and the e-value. Really, the max score is going to be the most important thing. Whoever's got the highest max score is going to be the closest match to Dave for that particular gene sequence. So of course you'd have to look over here to see the answer, but I'm not going to tell you. I'm not going to show you either. So you'll have some genus and species name here, and you can click on that. It's a link, and you'll be able to find out more. You might have to Google the genus and species name to find out what it is. Alright. And so it's got all of these matches. But again, you want to pay attention to the top match. Okay? So there's some other things that you can do. If you go back up towards the top, you're going to get a distance tree result. So this is going to be your cladogram. And so you'll want to find out, there's the match right there. And they have a little legend on the right that tells you what is what. So anyway, you're going to do this 4 times. You're going to write down pertinent information, what's the max score, what's the genus and species name, and then what you'll do is you'll go back. Yeah, you'll go back. Okay, I'm not on the right one. Okay, sorry, I had to switch tabs. I have to. Like when I opened up the distance tree, it made a new tab. It opened a new tab, so you need to go back to the original tab. And so now it's time to go back to Save Strategies. Upload Gene 2. Right? And then you'll do the same thing. View it. There's Dave's actual gene. Go down to the bottom and BLAST it. Once again, you'll get the results. It may take a little bit of time, and you can go see what the closest match is, and you can also look at the distance tree. So you'll do it for all 4 gene sequences, writing down again the genus and species, writing down the max score, And then you'll have to determine, based on the max score, who is the closest match to Dave.